So welcome to Jim on Cars. Today we're going to review a dash cam. So we've got a new dash cam and I've never had a dash cam before, never fitted a dash cam before, so just going to have a look at a dash cam that I've got. We're going to get it fitted in the car and then towards the end of the video we'll have a look at some of the footage from it and see what we think there. But let's first of all just show you what we've got. So we've got this one here, the 70 MAI is the way it's pronounced. So we've got this, and we've also got with it a battery pack which will keep it charged up and make it usable overnight in case I don't know, overnight stuff. And we've got a 4G hardwire kit as well with it. So we're going to forget about these to begin with. We're just going to concentrate on this video on getting the main dash cam fitted. And well, let me tell you about some of the features with this. So basically it's got front and rear cameras, which are pretty standard these days, but they're both 4K, which is absolutely amazing. It's a 3-channel HDR. So we've also got a camera that points into the cabin. So we're going to have recording in the cabin in front of us and behind us, which is going to be really good. And it's going to be absolutely amazing for driving instructors, I should have thought. We've got some dual Sony Starvis technology, which is fine. It's 4G compatible, as we've just said. Wi-Fi 6, which is 5 GHz. So it's got built-in GPS and also a DAS. No idea what that is, but let me know in the comments if you know. I'm sure we'll find out. And we've got the Smart Parking Guardian mode, and it's also got voice control as well. So it is pretty much the best kit you can get on the market these days. So inside here, well, we've got an instruction pack. So we've got a memory card, and we've got these little things to put on the windscreen, and there's the mounts. Okay, cool. So this is the camera itself then. So this is what we're going to be mounting inside the car. That's the bit that shows inside the car, and there's the camera for pointing out the front windscreen. Here's the rear one, so we're going to get that mounted on the rear screen. And then in here we have all of our bits. So we've got this to go in our cigarette lighter. So we're going to, first of all, as we've said, forget about the battery and the hardwire kit. We're going to put it into the cigarette lighter to begin with. And then we've just got the cable in. Basically we've got the cable in, that's going to be the power supply, isn't it, to the cigarette lighter. And then we've got this one that goes front to back in the car, and this will go one way. Yes, there's the front, and then that will be the rear. Cool, so that will go up in the headlining. So like I say, never fitted one before, but we'll go out to the car and we'll get it fitted and show you what it looks like when we get it in action. Fingers crossed it all works. Right then, so we're out in the car, got it fitted, and it was reasonably straightforward, to be completely honest. So first of all, the dash cam we're using, there's a link up on the screen, check it out for yourself, and in the description. The manufacturers may even have a discount code for subscribers to the channel, so definitely check that out. That'll all be in the description, so you'll find it there, but follow the link up on screen to go straight to it if you wish. Right then, so basically I've got it fitted here. Setting the camera up was quite straightforward. I'm just going to plug the cigarette lighter in. Basically that'll power it up, it'll come on in a second. I plugged it all in, put the power to it, put the rear, everything just in my hand, just to make sure it was working. And it went through a setup procedure before I even got it installed. So basically I could check that it was working. You choose your language, you download the app. There's a great app on your phone you can use with this, and yes, it's really straightforward. So very briefly, the power cable I've got going up around the passenger side. It goes down the door trim behind the glove box and pops up here. Now there was an excess of cable. I've hidden that behind a panel behind the glove box down there, so that was quite easy to do. Plenty of room down there to hide a couple of feet of cable. And the cable to the rear view camera, again, I've routed it up around, and it's going up over the doors and through the back there. Now the camera at the back there, and again there was an excess of cable, but the headlining on modern cars does come away quite easily, so I've hidden the excess up in there. And with the rear view one, I did it wrong. First of all, I got the camera upside down, so if the writing you're looking at on the back of it reads correctly, then you've got it the right way up. But all good now. So basically it's all set up. We're going to take it out for a couple of drives, show you some footage, and then you can judge for yourself whether it's worth the money, and whether this 4K recording is what you want to invest in. So here we are out on the road testing the dash cam, and we're in a different part of the country. Here we are over in Hereford, just giving it a good test on a nice bright sunny afternoon. So first of all, we've got an oncoming vehicle here. So let's give that 4K a bit of a test. Let's zoom in and just see how good the picture quality is here, and we can see that we can easily zoom in and read a number plate there very clearly indeed. The advantages of the 4K there clearly being shown. Okay, so now we're heading up towards the next village. Let's take a look. So you can see the rear view. It's a little bit covered with water, so apologies for that. We'll improve that next time. Clear cabin view as well. So now let's listen to the sound quality inside the car. So just heading into Bredwardine, we have a nice wide road, white lines down the middle of the road, 40-mile road zone. We're actually taking the road off to the right at the crossroads. So rear view mirror check, door mirror check, signal on, positioning for a right hand turn, looking ahead, and we're safe to steer into our new road. Checking the rear view mirror, car behind's following us in. Cool number plates. Okay, so now heading down the hill towards the River Wye, keeping tight to a left hand bend there. It's a wide road, could have been oncoming traffic. Right hand bend, so I'm keeping tight to the left here to give myself the best view possible around the corner and over the crest of the hill. Triangular sign warning me of a road narrowing, so again right hand bend, keeping left. Another right hand bend, the road is narrowing here. Another triangular sign telling me that. So bringing the speed down, single track road. Is it safe to proceed? Indeed it is. Good. Checking if the rear view mirror, car behind's following us through too. Taking the road on the left, centre mirror, left mirror, signal on. Looking for our position as we rotate around the corner there, straight into an uphill. Okay, so checking the low light level functions of our new dash cam. Be interested to see how we've transitioned into a darker area there, how that comes through on the footage. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time with Chimp on Cars, then don't forget to subscribe. So we hope you found the video informative, and the links will be on the screen in the description. Check out the dash cam for yourself and see if it's something you'd like to purchase. We'll do some more videos from this dash cam in the future. We've got a few more things lined up, so we'll see you in the next video.